The Barkan model E310 Plus is a tilt mount for medium and large-sized flat and curved televisions. Main features of the mount are a patented auto-locking safety mechanism to prevent disengagement of the screen. The mount has a tool-free tilt adjustment, built-in level for easy and accurate installation, lateral adjustment of the screen after the installation. A wide wall plate provides extra stability. The mount has a lifetime warranty. If you want to see more of our products, visit our website.